So hi guys, welcome back. This is Shrimpfinity once again, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to use the Calci Pro Plus, one of the new product of Shrimpfinity product line. So, alright, let's go. So here, once you open this cup, so you can see it's in a powder form. Okay, so basically, what you need to do is get a scoop full, and this Calci Pro Plus is provided with a squeeze bottle. Okay, so here, scoop full, 1-inch water from your tank, put it inside. Okay, so this tank we're gonna be testing out right now is a 10-gallon tank. Okay, what it says in the aquarium is mix with water outside of the aquarium 1 gram per 5-gallon tank. So since this is a 10-gallon tank, we're gonna use 2 scoopful of Calci Pro Plus to provide enough calcium and protein for your shrimps. So okay, let's get one more scoop full. Okay, don't worry about dosing it up higher, just don't dose it lower. Okay, there won't be issues. Okay, so let's close the lid. Okay, so here's the squeeze bottle, 1 inch of the water. Okay, so just mix it up, make sure it's dissolved already. Okay, once you add it up in the water, it automatically dissolve already. So hassle free to. Okay na. So yan, pop up the squeeze bottle and then directly apply sa water. As you can see, yung granules is makikita talaga siya, but nakikita nyo, kala nyo mag-sustain sa water, pero hindi. In quite while, magdi-disappear din yung powder form, and it will mix up sa water columns, then dun magi-graze yung shrimp for them to feed out. So yan siya, see, yan. Once nag-mix up na yan sa water columns nyo, na-notice na shrimp yan, lahat yan sila kakaroon na ng mga movement because they're feeding already the Calci Pro Plus. Yan. As you can see in the back part, ayan, nagda-drop na yung ano natin, yung Calci Pro Plus. So hinahanap na ng mga shrimps. Tanong nila, nasan ba yun?
Gago!
So ayan, so try naman natin dito sa orange pumpkin tank. Lagyan natin. Ayan. Yan. Okay. Yan. With the 2 scoopful, you can provide multiple tanks na to feed for the shrimp to enjoy. Yan ang Calci Pro Plus natin. And basically, this Calci Pro Plus promotes high calcium and protein intake for your shrimps. And this is also good for your juvie shrimps or yung mga baby shrimps, yung mga bago pa lang na pop, for faster growth and color enhancer. So there you go, the Calci Pro Plus. And this is available in our shop and also available at Shopee for faster and convenient service. So hopefully you could try it out, guys, and know the difference. So thank you for watching this video.